Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. And today we have a 2016 SZ Ford Territory TX, stock reference number 4254. This shape runs from the 4th month 2011 through to the 12th month 2016. It has a 4-litre 6-cylinder Barra petrol engine, backed by a 6-speed automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. 4-litre inline 6-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the left-hand guard, which appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage, and a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black vinyl center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, factory single stack touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.